For many people out there, you have allergies, asthma, those sorts of things. The Sirena is terrific for helping you out with these sorts of problems as well. What do I mean? Well, simple fabrics in your home like cushions, pillows on your bed, all of these things will hold the skin. That dead skin attracts the dust mites. The dust mites are part of the problem that stuffs you up and makes you have those issues with allergies and asthma. So what we're going to do is take a regular garbage bag like you can see here. We're going to take a cushion, we're going to place it in here. You can do this with anything that will fit in the bag. It doesn't really matter what it is. If it's fabric, go ahead and throw it in the bag. We're going to put our upholstery tool back on here, and we're going to take this and stick it in the bag right on top of that cushion. We're going to take the bag, close it up all around it, and watch what happens when we turn it on. What we're going to effectively do is remove a lot of the dust mites, the skin, all the air, all the impurities, and we're going to be able to make this pillow smell like new again. So turn it on, hold the bag. You can see where it pulls all the air out of here. We're getting out those dust mites, the skin. You can move it around. Now, if you also wanted to freshen this pillow, make it smell great, as you know, we have the optional Ocean Breeze deodorizer that you can use. And all you're going to do is leave it in the bag. We're going to spin it around. We're going to remove the exhaust cap, put our hose on the exhaust instead. And now we can actually make everything smell great. Put it back together. Don't hold the bag tight this time because you do want that air to escape. Turn on the machine, and now with the deodorizer we can effectively deodorize this pillow as well. So it'll come out smelling nice and clean and fresh. Not only will it smell good, but for those of you with asthma and allergies, this is going to be a tremendous boon to help you sleep better at night and just help you live more comfortably in your home. Now, this can only be done with the Sirena and the water filtration system, folks. So get online, find the nearest place to you, and get the Sirena system today.